So the first time I get to know about the keys was at the moment I have been working with a lot of PMS systems. Um, I never could find what I really wanted to, and somehow I came on via Google on Keyd, and I saw they're building ACM, um, which seemed to be way too good for the price you pay for it. So I had a call with Igor from support, from the sales team, and from that moment on, it was crazy. I didn't expect it would be this good. We are now implementing AI to it even, and yeah, it was very easy since before with other PMSs we had a lot of troubles. We had to do a lot of things, and with IntoKey you have a very easy overview on how to connect to all the channels. We also had the first time and the second time we had also support involved in the onboarding call, which they explain everything, work through everything, and that was very awesome since you feel insecure in the beginning while connecting to the OTAs basically, and they really helped me about with it. And even now, it's so easy to add like a new listing to ACM, which is done in any minute. So that's really awesome. They have like a to-do list from step by step what you should do, and it's really moving forward. It's a hard one to be honest, since we just started whenever ACM was just launched. So there were still some small things, but the support has solved it like immediately. I just called Igor and he arranged it with the whole support and development team. And I think there's no any issue at this moment since everything has been worked on quite well. And I said, sometimes some things can happen, but it also depends on how quick can you solve it, and it's solved within any moment. So I don't have any bad things about that, to be honest. The automatic responses now, but the which is a great part is or an option is you can just prepare AI to write a response before sending it. So now we are in the trial phase wherein we want to get some more feeling about how AI responds to all certain guest messages. So now when I click on the inquiries, I see the prepare message from AI. I can change some things. I go to the AI settings. I can adjust the text I upload to AI, and that way I feel secure adding AI into it. And the next step will be, and I think we will reach that within a month, we will let AI automate messages without me approving it upfront, which I really love is a new feature. If there's any issue upcoming or a guest mentions something, we get a special notification with, hey, watch out, there has been an issue which you can solve. And the message is automatically being sent to our maintenance guys. So it saves me a lot of time as in like, okay, the guest says, I've got an issue, I need to reach out to the maintenance reach out to me. I can really skip that part. So it's getting more automated, which is awesome. Yeah, since we have tried multiple kind of PMS systems, which one was more for hotels, since we do property management for different kind of things. We have apart hotels, holiday homes, so it's all different. Also did do some hotels, so you need to find different strategies in how to use your PMS system. And in all the other ones, like we had one in the hotel system, which wasn't working well. It was very expensive. It was limited. You had to hire someone from the company to install everything, and still things get wrong. If you want to connect to Airbnb, we had to add an additional channel manager into it. All those kind of things. We also have been working with some American PMS systems. The problem with them was they were lagging too much whenever we grow our portfolio. And yeah, with ACM, I don't experience that yet. Perhaps if we will grow to another level, maybe in the next years. But still now, it's like really satisfying, as in the speed and the overview as well. PMS or a data center to add on to Tokid. Since before we wanted to work with check-in to do self check-ins, and the team really did everything to complete as soon as possible whenever I told them about it. Um, so that one is already now off the list, which you didn't have. Um, but I think key data can be very interesting since we are also mainly focusing on revenue management internationally. as in Spain, Curacao, Bali. It's not only in the Netherlands where we now operate a full management in. And key data can help us a lot if you can connect that to key eventually. No, yeah, as said, like which is one thing which stick out the most to me is the quick responses of the support. It's crazy. I could never expect that a company with so many property managers and listing connected to it that have so good support even on the Sundays. And yeah, that's really blowing my mind. That's really awesome.